if you look around, you would think that we're quite secluded with all the nature, but just a few miles from here, 30-minute drive, we've got restaurants, we've got the university, football games, basketball games, pretty much anything you want to do. To me, kayaking is more relaxing. You don't have to focus as much, so you're not worried about falling in the water. You can just get out and enjoy the lake and have fun.
Oh, I love it. It's the first time we've ever done a double kayak before, so it was a lot of fun. You have to use more of a team, and we're terribly competitive. So us being a team is much more fun.